Hello students, once again I Sauravasti is back again with the topic letter writing. Students, as in my previous video I explained everything about formal letters which are used in CBSE. Now this time in this video I am going to tell you about the format where you were asked to remember few points which are to be remembered while writing your letter. And also keep checking the right side which is given over here along with the format of letter. Like first step is going to be sender's address, second step is going to be date, third step is going to be receiver's address, in the fourth step you have to write the subject, in the fifth step you have to write salutation. Yes, one more thing which you should remember is that in few books you will see that salutation will be written after subject, or sometimes you will see that the salutation is used before subject. So students, don't get confused in this. Always remember one thing, that first you have to use the salutation and after then you have to write the subject. Okay. After then, in the next step you have to write the body part, which is going to contain three main parts. They are content, body and the conclusion part, plus in that part you can also write the suggestion. As students, you can see on the right side where the content part is written, in that you can see that introduction, then description and at last solution / conclusion is given. That is a part of your body part, okay, which you should remember while writing your letter. Okay, now the next step is going to be your subscription, and at last you have to give your name, which is known as sender's name. Now here students, I have given few questions for you which you are going to use for your practice. Now student, as you know that you are going to have four types of letters, that are editorial letter, official letter, like business letters, and the last one is administrative letter. Here we begins with the first type, that is an editorial letter. First question I am reading it for you, that is, write a letter to the editor of the local newspaper complaining about irregular water supply on the one hand and wastage of water on the other. Now here students, what you can do is that the format which I told you before, that you can use it, and now you can try writing this formal letter, that is a letter to the editor. Now what you have to do, you have to see all the letters which are given in this video, like editorials are given over here, business letters are given for you, applications are also given, like a letter to the principal, they are also included in the video. So students, what you have to do now, take a copy and now start practicing all these questions in your copies and then complete it. Now students, here we go with the letter to the principal now, where the first question is going to be like, you are Rohit Sharma, monitor of class 8 in SMR Republic School Faridabad. Write a letter to your principal asking him to arrange for special coaching in science. Give reasons why you need this. Here again students, you can use the same format which I have explained to you before. Now use all the steps and then continue with the letter writing. One more thing students, wherever you feel that the question is passing very quickly, what you can do is, you can stop the video at that time and then you can stop the video and then you can see the question properly and then again. Now you can do the practice. Student, these are business letters for you, where you have to write a letter to a wholesaler dealing in textbooks and storybooks for ordering of some books that you require for your shop. Students, you can follow all the measures which I have already given you. I have explained every step to you. You can practice them, you can start doing that, and you can use all those methods. Then you will finally learn how to write a official or a editorial or a business or an application to the principal. That means overall all the letters you will be able to write them properly. Okay, now students, in the next video we are going to meet again with some more questions of these letters which I will forward you, which I will give you in the next video. Okay, thank you so much. Keep practicing at home, keep doing hard work, stay safe, stay healthy, and be at home. Thank you so much.